Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Chrysler 200 window regulator assembly. Driver and passenger side going to be the same thing. So this is what we have. I've got the new one installed. What you have to do is take off the door panel, take off this inner panel that the regulator and most of the components itself sit on in order to replace it. So I'm going to do this forward first. So down here, you're going to have some T15 Torx bits. This paneling right here for the window regulator, window motors and stuff like that will pop out, disconnect the 3 connectors. Take out another little panel right here, T15 right there. This one had a clip up here holding the fascia cover for the speaker. Pop it off. Now, all around the edges are nothing but push pins. So you'll use a tool like yay or a flathead screwdriver. You pop them off all the way around and lift up on this track here, and the whole thing will come right up. Once that, set it up to the side. For this section here, I disconnected most of the harness just to give me enough room. I did not disconnect it from the window, the door latch area or the, can't think today, the lock rod. Just all I needed is enough room in order to just pull it back and get it out of the way. Since this regulator is already destroyed, you have a cover right here. This one's tape, and then this one's a big rubber donut. You'll take this off and you can see this little notch right here. This glass has a corresponding piece right here. See it? Where it'll sit down in, and this little tab right here will push out. So you just get a screwdriver, push it in to go past the glass, and then you can lift up on the glass itself to raise the glass in the up position. Once that is up there, then this whole paneling right here will just come off when you release all the bolts. And all it is 10s all the way around, 10 millimeters all the way around. The motor sits right here. You can take this off. These are 27s or 30s. And then the motor itself comes right off. That frees up the gear right here for the regulator piece itself, which is going to be that is destroyed. From there, you can raise and lower the regulator without the glass being attached and get everything lined up so that when everything pops in, so on and so forth. Like I said, I didn't take off any of this stuff, so just I could get to it. T30s, there's a door module right here with the T15s. Take it off in order to get to this T30 right here. Another one over here, another one over here. Then this whole regulator assembly comes off. I just pull it back out of the way and then get to it that way. I did also take off the speaker just that I could get underneath there for the glass and lift it up high enough, because this one's already fallen to the ground. Once I had the motor out, I was able to lift it up by hand to get it to these locations here in order to be able to pop it out and move the glass all the way up out of the way. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know. Pretty straightforward, about a 30-45 minute job.